How to clean Shark Air Purifier filter. So if you want to clean this, make sure you turn off your filter off first and unplug it from the power source. Open the filter compartment, which should look something like this. It's usually from the top or the bottom depending on your model, but take off the cover and then you can take out the filter as well. So for the ways on how to clean the filter, you can use a vacuum cleaner with a brush attachment to remove dust and debris from the surface of the filter. Do not use water or cleaning liquids unless the filter is specifically labeled as washable. But after cleaning, place the filter back into the unit and then just secure the cover properly. Plug the purifier back in and just turn it on. But that's one way or the process on how you can clean the Shark Air Purifier filter. So hopefully it helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.